Welcome to Theo. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of homemade probiotics by learning how to ferment your own gut-healthy foods right at home. Fermentation is a natural process that not only enhances the flavor of your food but also packs it with beneficial probiotics that can boost your digestion and overall health. Whether you're new to fermentation or just looking to add some healthy options to your diet, this video will guide you through every step. Let's get started on making your kitchen a hub for health. Introduction. What are probiotics? Probiotics are live microorganisms that provide health benefits when consumed, especially for gut health. They are found in fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir. What you'll need. Basic equipment. Glass jars, fermentation weights, airlock lids, and utensils, non-metallic, to avoid reaction with the acidic environment. Ingredients. Fresh vegetables, e.g., cabbage for sauerkraut, salt, and water. If making yogurt or kefir, you'll need milk and starter cultures. Step-by-step fermentation process. Preparing vegetables. For sauerkraut, finely chop cabbage and mix with salt. The salt draws out water from the cabbage, creating a brine. Packing jars. Pack the salted cabbage tightly into a glass jar, ensuring that it's fully submerged under the brine to avoid exposure to air, which can cause spoilage. Fermentation time. Leave the jar at room temperature for 1 to 4 weeks. The longer it ferments, the tangier it becomes. Check daily to release gas buildup. Storing your fermented foods. Once the desired fermentation level is reached, store the jar in the fridge, where it can last for months. Safety considerations. Monitoring. Check for mold or an off smell, this could indicate contamination. Only consume if the food smells fresh and tangy. Hygiene. Always use clean equipment and wash hands thoroughly to avoid introducing harmful bacteria. Benefits of fermented foods. Digestive health. Probiotics in fermented foods help balance gut bacteria, improving digestion and immune function. Rich in nutrients. Fermentation enhances the bioavailability of nutrients like vitamins B and K2. Conclusion. Encourage experimentation with different vegetables and flavors. Mention that while homemade fermentation is generally safe, it's important to follow guidelines to avoid any potential risks. References. Healthline, Probiotics 101. Harvard Health, Fermented Foods and Health. Thanks for watching this tutorial on homemade probiotics. I hope you're excited to start fermenting your gut-healthy foods at home. Remember, the key to successful fermentation is patience and cleanliness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others interested in naturally improving their health. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe to Theo, so you never miss out on our latest tutorials and tips. Comment below and let me know what you'll be fermenting first or tips to share. See you next time.